Hi, I'm Johnny with Cedar Stone. Today we're going to take a close look at site prep and installation and everything that you need to know for a great day on site. Let's go take a look. We deliver saunas all over North America, and we're going to show you everything that we need to safely move the sauna from the truck, through the yard, and into the final resting place. The first thing we're going to look at is our approach path to the site. What we need here is hard, level ground. We're also looking out for any abrupt changes in ground elevation along the entire path. That includes anything like a curb edge, a stump, or boulders that might be in the way. We'll need to make sure all of our transitions are smooth all the way up into and through the pad. All along the path, we need at least 12 feet wide so our machine has room to maneuver all the way to the pad. We're also looking for overhead obstructions. Right here, we're wide open, but your site might have overhanging tree branches, power lines, maybe the roof line. We're looking for at least 12 feet of height of clearance along the entire path. Let's go take a look at the pad. The approach to the pad is very important. Here we have plenty of open space to maneuver the machine however we need to. But in areas where there's tight tree cover or maybe some steeper elevations, what we need is a straight shot onto the pad for the machine and the sauna. We can't take a tight turn onto the pad. So we need this area in front here to be clear so that we can line up the sauna as we make our way forward. Again, we're taking a look at the approach to the pad. Very important that this is smooth, no abrupt changes in elevation. If you have a concrete slab, we need that curb, that edge of that slab to be level with the surrounding ground. When we come up onto the pad, we can see our concrete footings. We have 6 of them. The footings are level with the gravel, and that's important when we bring the machine and the sauna wheels onto the pad. They need to be able to roll smoothly all the way across. We can also see our electrical service is stubbed out here. The first thing we'll point out, we have plenty of extra wire. Not enough wire means you might not make it to your electrical box if you have one. That extra wire is also out of the way of the footings. So when we bring this in, we're not going to damage the wire here. The last thing we look for is the exit of the pad. We have clear ground that's flat. It's hard packed back here. We had a tree removed because when we bring the machine to the back of the pad, we'll set the sauna down, and then we need a clear path all the way back to the truck. So that's it. Everything that we need. This site is perfect here. It's picturesque, and we're ready for a great day on site. We're gonna put this one in. Our team will send you a site prep diagram that tells you everything you need to know about the pad for your sauna. You might have a gravel base with concrete tubes, or you might have a concrete slab underneath the entire building, but all the details will be sent to you for your contractor to get this done right. On install day, we're going to be bringing heavy machinery and a heavy building to your site, so expect a little bit of disturbance to landscaping and grass along the way. All of that final detailing and beautiful landscaping should be planned for about a week after the sauna is in place. All right, there we have it, a beautiful sauna on beautiful Lake Superior. Thanks for coming along today and seeing why a well-prepped site makes for a great day for our team and for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to support and looking forward to installing your sauna next.